Welcome to one of the best resources online for learning React Native and Redux. My name is Stephen Greider, and I'm a web engineer with 12 years of programming experience. I authored this course to share the knowledge that I have gained in that time with you. The number one goal of this course is to make sure that you are not wasting any more time copy-pasting code into your code editor. We are going to explore every bit of syntax, step by step, to make sure you understand exactly what we're building. I made this course to make sure that you don't have to spend any more time on confusing, out-of-date, or incomplete tutorials again. You'll learn how React Native works by building a number of mobile apps with increasing complexity. We'll start with an in-depth walkthrough on basic React, and then start delving into working with AJAX requests to fetch data, native APIs, and explore code reuse between Android and iOS. We won't shy away from any topics. In fact, we are going to explore user authentication and Redux as soon as possible so you can focus on making awesome apps. I wrote this course to work with either Mac or Windows machines, so no matter what, you're ready to learn. The entire course is hosted on udemy.com with easy-to-follow videos and an entire Git repository with all of the course's code. Sign up today and be the cutting-edge engineer who gets to teach the others about the latest in mobile technology. Sign up today and build the mobile app that you've always dreamed about.